Hey guys, this is your boy Fernando. Nando. I just finished recording a vlog kind of thing. This is just a little update thing. I downloaded this thing called Camtasia. I really recommend you download it. I hate this microphone. I really gotta get a new one. So guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Here is just my world I already started. This is gonna be the Nando project. I already started a little bit. Turn up the volume. Oh, dang it, I forgot. My headphones aren't plugged in. Plug these in. Yeah, this is better. Okay, let me just chop down some trees. The sounds are pretty strange, like when you chop down the tree. Sorry if I was just quiet right there. It was me that was being quiet. So that is where the special chest was. So I'm gonna make my house right here. Sorry if that was kind of loud. I don't know how loud it is. I have my headphones plugged in, but they're kind of broken, so I don't know what it sounds like. This is where my house is gonna be. Oh, come on, you dumb microphone. Stay up, please. Tighten this so it doesn't fall down. So, what? What, Lisa?
You said a bad word.
What?
You said a bad word.
It's not a bad word, Lisa. I said dumb. And I was talking to the microphone. Alright? I don't see how that's mean. I mean, I know that it could be a transformer one day, but I mean, like, really? It's not a bad word. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just digging a hole. Come on, no. Is that it? Is that? Oh gosh, I thought I heard a creeper. That's scared. I'm just collecting some dirt, I guess, for me to build a dirt house. You know, you're special like that. Where's the sun? Oh, there's plenty of time.
The sun is.
I would create a house made out of wood, but I'm trying to save up the wood. I'm trying to stay indoors as much as possible and not really explore because I'm really scared that I might like run away, know what I mean? Like run away and not find myself back. So I do not know how to stop recording, so that's a problem kind of.
And notice how the
Let me
cursor
see.
changes to an arrow,
Do this.
and then
Oh
click
yeah,
and drag.
simple as that.
You can also
That's
use
nice.
this technique to resize the length of a
Hopefully
media,
this sounds
including
pretty good. I don't think
annotations.
I'm going to use my microphone.
Your turn.
I want to use the
Hit
microphone
pause
that's already
and
built
use
into
trimming
my Mac.
to remove this cough from the recording.
Hopefully I get this thing
Click
posted
play
up to
when you're ready
YouTube
to
without
continue.
a problem.
If you've trimmed that cough out, you'll notice it left a
Okay,
blank spot in the
this should be
video.
enough.
So
What
I'll
time
show
is
you
it?
another way to
8:50.
remove a segment of media
It's only
that
been a minute
closes
or
the
two.
gap.
Let me check.
Just place your cursor right before the
Yeah.
part you want to
I don't
remove,
know
hold
what
the Shift key,
this sign
then
is. I
click
think that's
and drag
Alt,
to make a selection.
Command and 2. Alt,
You can
Command,
also
and 2. I
drag
don't
up
know.
or down to include
I really
clips
don't.
on multiple tracks.
I almost have a stack.
After you
of
let go,
dirt,
you can also
so
adjust
that
the
should be
edges of the
plenty for a
selection.
house.
Then, right-click
Well,
and choose
a mud
Ripple
house.
Delete Range. To have everything to the right on those tracks, Shift in to fill the gap. Click pause
Make
and
it
try
nice
it for
and
yourself
roomy as possible.
by removing the two in this
Cover
section.
this up and then
Click play again
mine
when you've
into
done
it,
that.
So then it's kind of like a mine.
You can find more tutorials about working and editing on the timeline by right-clicking in an
Gosh, I
empty
hate
spot
that sound.
and
So
choosing
scary.
Timeline
Intro sound.
Tutorials.
Man,
Now, earlier,
it's
I mentioned
mad
that you
loud.
could
I hate
add your
my
recordings,
headphones.
as
Scared
well
the
as
poop-
audio and
poop
images,
out of
to
me.
your screencast. You can do this by going to the media bin and dragging the
I
item
can
to the
barely
canvas,
hear anything.
which is
Wait,
this big
I know
section
why,
here
no wonder.
where you're previewing
But
this Getting Started project.
the
Or
music
you can drag it
stay
to the
all the way
timeline.
down to like
In this case, drag the Audio
10.
Great clip to the timeline here.
the sound could be over
Pause the
here.
video
Yeah.
until you've done
So,
that.
turn this up.
Finally, let me show you how to make details, like text, more crisp and legible by using zoom animations. Let's
not
take
gonna be
this
that
area for
bad.
example. If I'm talking about it in my screencast, I should zoom in there so the viewers can read the text. And so everything else currently
Hopefully I
showing
get a lot of
doesn't
likes.
distract them
Sorry if
from
you
what's
hear
important.
my mouse.
To add a zoom
Just that I
animation,
don't have a mouse
go to the
pad.
Animations tab
Sorry
and
about
drag
that.
the Zoom In animation
Gotta go, guys. Well,
to the
thanks for
recording you
watching.
want to zoom
Like,
in on.
subscribe, tell your friends about this
It will be
channel.
represented by
So,
an
guys,
arrow
thanks.
on the media
Bye.
clip. Then, in the canvas, drag your video until the correct area is showing. You can also change when the animation starts or ends and how long it lasts by dragging the middle or the dots at each end of the arrow. Click pause now and zoom in on this part of the screen for me. Then click play again. Excellent. Now pause and drag the zoom out animation to some place later in the clip to see what that does. Notice how it scaled the video to fit everything in the canvas? That's great for giving viewers a larger context. All right, after you practice the basics, be sure to check out the tutorial viewer to learn even more. Go to the Help menu and choose Tutorial Viewer. Take a bit of time to explore the different videos, articles, and the Camtasia course. These will be invaluable in helping you create excellent videos that communicate and teach. Now try creating your own project. To start, go here to the File menu and choose New Project. Thanks, and happy screencasting!